everyone. Thanks for joining me today, and welcome to the Appomattox Regional Library System's YouTube channel. This is your stream class, and I am your host, Miss Rija. I'm so happy to see you today. Today, we're going to be doing an experiment about a lava lamp. Now, some of you may have seen lava lamps in the past, or on TV, or maybe you have one in your home, but this is an experiment where we're going to make our own lava lamp. Okay, so let's talk about the experiment. But before we get started, I want to mention that everything I'm using today is readily available either in your home, you may have everything already, or from the grocery store, or even from the dollar store. These are not expensive experiments, but they can be a lot of fun. So I'll show you the two variations. We've got two different types of chemical reactions we're going to do today. One is with an Alka-Seltzer tablet, and the other one is with baking soda and vinegar. And we'll see what the difference is. Alright, so the first experiment we're going to be doing is the one with the Alka-Seltzer tablet. So what you're going to need is a container, and this is a glass container, but you don't have to use a glass container. You can use plastic, you can use a plastic cup, or you can use a plastic bottle, which is something that's clear. So you have your container, and you're going to pour some oil in it. This is vegetable oil, but you can use baby oil or vegetable oil, doesn't matter. So I'm going to pour this in here. And then into this container, I'm going to pour some water. And let's see what happens when the water goes in. What happens with the water? You can see that the water comes down to the bottom, but the oil stays to the top. And that's because the oil is less dense than the water. The water's heavier, so it's coming to the bottom. So once you see things are starting to separate, you can add some food coloring. You're going to add a few drops at a time. And the drops are going to start to go down towards the bottom. And that's when the fun happens, when you drop this tablet in. All right, come close. Let's see what happens. It goes down to the bottom, and you're going to start to notice, you'll see all the bubbles start. The bubbles are carbon dioxide that's formed. And as you see, it goes up like a lava lamp. It's causing all of the color to go up. That's so cool. Okay, so the second experiment is going to be using a combination of baking soda and vinegar along with your oil and your food coloring. So the first step that you want to do is you want to take your baking soda and you want to put about 3 spoons into your container. Okay, so our container, we have 3 tablespoons of the baking soda. Then we want to take our cup. We're going to pour some vinegar into it. About a 1/4 cup. Into that, we're going to add our food coloring. I've chosen blue for this experiment. Stir that up so that the vinegar is nicely mixed. Then you'll take your oil. This time I'm using baby oil, but the choice is yours. Pour that into your container. Whoop, whoop. Okay. Now, you have your baking soda at the bottom, you have your container with oil in it, and now you're going to take your vinegar mixture and you're going to put a few drops in here at a time, and let's see what happens. You can see it goes to the bottom immediately, and then when the reaction happens with the vinegar, you've got your bubbles coming to the top. So you want to add a little bit at a time. That's pretty cool, isn't it? And it'll just keep reacting as the vinegar comes down. Eventually it'll stop and you can just add some more. The bigger the container, the more vinegar you'll need. But the reaction is pretty cool the way you see it there. Okay, and there you go. The 2 different kind of lava lamp experiments. I hope you get a chance to try them, and I hope you have some fun doing them. Until then, we miss you at the library. We hope that we open soon and we get to see your happy faces. Until that time, stay safe, and thank you for joining us. Have a good day. Bye.